So my new name is Island Dave because I'm out here like an island boy. And if you don't believe me, then I get to talking that island talk. You want me to box you down? I'll box you down. Oh yeah? Oh, who you talking to? You talking to me? Yeah? Go suck your mother.
No!
Yeah.
You cannot say that.
Yeah, I can say that. I'll box you down. Go suck your mother. You. Over here talking like an island boy. Because that's what I am. I'm an island boy. Hey. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Good, man.
What's up, bro? See that? Speaking like an island boy. Huh? You know what? What'd you say to me? Rascalad. Bamba. What? What? Did you say to me? What else do I know, babe?
Move on, go away.
Yeah, move on, go away. Move on, go away.
No.
Move on, go away. Huh? You gonna put me down? You gonna put me on them? Rascalad. Yeah. Huh? My youth. That's right. Talking like an island boy. Call me Island Dave. Whenever I go on vacation, I'm on an island. Don't refer to me as Kevin Hart no more. Call me Island Dave. Huh? Yeah? Yeah? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Yeah?